Now we come to the chemical symbol of capital S and a small g. And that's the chemical symbol for the element's name of Seaborgium. Seaborgium. So I pronounce it Seaborgium. All right? So what's a good way to remember that capital S and a small g is the symbol, the chemical symbol for Seaborgium. And that is his girl Rose. His girl Rose. Now how can we get that? How can we get Seaborgium from his girl Rose? Well, here we are. Let's rewrite it according to how it would look in the periodic table of elements. So his girl Rose, we have to rewrite it. Capital H, capital I, capital S and a small g, capital I and a small r, capital O, capital S and a small e. Now what does all stand for? Well, capital H is for hydrogen. Capital I is for iodine, which is capital I-O-D-I-N-E. Capital S and a small g is for Seaborgium. Seaborgium is capital S-E-A-B-O-R-G-I-U-M. I gotta make a bigger S. This S is too small. It's gotta be a lot bigger. There we go. And then we got capital I and a small r for iridium. Iridium. And that's spelled capital I-R-I-D-I-U-M. Then we got capital L and a small r, and that is for lawrencium. Lawrencium. And then we got capital O for oxygen, and then we got capital S and a small e for selenium. Selenium. Okay? And there you go. His girl Rose. That's the way to do it, right? See it? And you got a good way to remember capital S and small g. All right? A sentence. And then you can memorize all this. Now, this may sound like a lot of work, but it's not. If you do it this way, you remember everything this way every day. You little by little, you remember this whole thing here. It'd be hard to forget. Just remember the sentence. The sentence is, his girl Rose. Remember that, okay? Just remember then you can rewrite it according to a periodic table of elements, okay? And remember, if it has one letter, it's capitalized, the chemical symbol. If it has two letters, the first letter is capitalized, and the second letter is a small case. Capitalized I and a small r. Capitalized L and a small r. Capitalized O, capitalized S, and a small e. See how it works? So keep that in mind. That's the way you rewrite it. And it fits in. And it fits in. And it fits in. There we go. Over and out. Bye-bye.